The Dragon Boat Festival hosts exciting boat races. Colorful, dramatic, and unforgettable dragon boat racing is celebrated annually on the fifth day of the fifth lunar month. Dragon Boat Festival, aka Tunyung, is celebrated to commemorate the death of the Chu Yuan, a Chinese poet and minister known for his patriotism and his contributions to the classical poetry. Legend says he drowned himself because his motherland had fallen to invaders. The boat races are supposed to represent the villagers' attempts to save him. But unfortunately, there was no official dragon boat race this year because of the ongoing pandemic. But the lovers of this festival manages to organize a friendly dragon boat race to celebrate this festival. And hundreds of people gathers to watch and take part in the race.
So how did you guys feel about today's program?
Very happy. Very happy.
係咪好開心啊？
好開心。
Okay. So even though like we're going through a pandemic right now, so what is the difference between the real competition and today's competition?
Today's one is definitely more casual. You can see like we're so happy and all of us gathering at this pandemic, and we feel so happy to be here. Unlike the traditional one, I think most of us are like in line, and then you take a lot of time for practice, and everyone in the same uniform. And today we're so casual and happy, and just want to share this happiness to you all. Yeah.
今日好多人比賽啊，咁啊好熱鬧啦，大家都玩得好開心啦，同埋今次表現都唔錯，大家最緊要合作精神。
好。
好睇啊，好睇，好精彩。
Yeah.
好似正式比賽一樣咁精彩。
Yeah. Even I saw you guys were all having fun, and it was so good. Hi, hello. This is me, Kaz, again with the dumpling. Yeah. So we've got IC and Patrick here from ADBT team. So yeah, see you guys have a lot of fun today. So IC, would you mind me telling me more about how was the celebration today?
Oh, today is really a lot of fun. I always love dragon boating. I have been participating from a different team for more than 10 years. And today is the best year. Why? Because it is unofficial. That's why we have a lot of fun. We don't have the pressure to want to win the first or second. We just go out and paddle, right? And we got a lot of food like dumplings. This is the day that we have to eat. And then watermelons and lychee as well. So we all celebrate together. It's really fun.
That was good.
I love it.
So the most important thing is that coming out everyone together and then having fun, right? 就係啦，最緊要係 participate 一齊跟住好開心咯，係啦，yay! So we got to Patrick here. So
Hi.
Would you mind telling me why we celebrate the Dragon Boat Festival?
Actually, Dragon Boat Festival is one of the Chinese traditional festivals that Chinese usually celebrating. And originally, it is one of the very loyal and very caring officer called Wat Yun. And he cares a lot of the citizens. And one day he got unhappy and suicide in the river. So because of his really great work have been done to the citizens, after he suicide in the river, and those citizens tried to protect his body. So they have made a lot of dumplings, tried to feed the fish so that the body can be kept. And also they try to rolling the boat along the river so to scare away all the fish. So it becomes, these are the traditions and practices that Chinese will celebrate at Dragon Boat Festival. and dragon boating is no longer just being celebrated by Chinese but all over the world.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
You forgot the dumpling.
Yay! So that is the dumpling. And actually it's really kind of curious why originally it's feeding fish and then we all eat the dumpling now.
Oh,
True. It's
yeah.
very tasty.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Andy Sir，今日好開心喎！我見到你哋，跟住今日嗰個比賽咧要講幾句啦。
幾句想講咩啊？咁啊開心啦！今日係端午節啦，咁啊中國嘅端午節啦，咁啊對中國人嚟講都係一個好重要嘅日子啦。咁啊因為疫情咧，我哋就冇咗一個好 regular 嘅比賽啦，咁所以咧就安排咗一個fun day 俾我哋將軍澳區嘅龍舟隊玩啦。咁啊今日嘅龍舟隊大概應該有20隊多啲啊 over 20隊，咁啊 just for fun， 咁啊開開心心，完全冇對船嘅要求，冇對人數要求，淨係純粹一個 just for fun 拍條開心咁樣咯，身體健康。